Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows Update is managed by your organization message in Windows. First, open the Settings app and select Accounts. Look for the Work or School Account section, or the Accounts Used by Other Apps section. If you see any connected organization, work, or school accounts that you no longer use, select the account and choose Disconnect or Remove. After removing the account, restart your computer and check if the message is gone. If the issue is still there, the problem may be caused by Windows Update policies that were changed previously. This method is available on Windows Pro and Enterprise editions. Press Windows and type GP Edit, and press Enter. In the Group Policy Editor, go to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and finally Windows Update. On the right side, if you see Configure Automatic Updates, double-click it. Select Not Configured, then click Apply and OK. This allows Windows to return to its default update settings instead of using a custom policy. If you don't see the option, just skip this step. Next, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type GP Update/Force and press Enter. This command refreshes all policy settings and applies the changes immediately. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, check the Windows Update again. Thanks for watching.